need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this week's video. But this is going to be a skit, as you already know. So let's just get on to this. That's why I'm dressed so crappy. Let's go. New day, new me, new customers. Perfect. I got an order. I've been eating one. I need better stuff, but they just get crappy stuff. Like this stupid light. It's not getting off enough light. I need better lighting. Just look at my beautiful self. Just admiring myself. Okay, let's just get started. Got my paper, got my pen. So, whatever this thing is. They want white foam slime. Oh, that was $12. Oh, what size she wanted? She wanted 12 ounce, a 12 ounce. Perfect. That's $12 right there. I have to add the total up later, but $2. Oh well. Can't complain much. This is just only 2 ounce. Perfect. That's right. I think. Pink power. I'm so sorry, my guinea pig. There's supposed to be a cloud sign. This is hard. This is like a thick butter. Let's see where she got cloud from this. Maybe this was one of my extras. This looks like the pink power. Maybe it happened over shipping. Yeah, probably over shipping. Scented? No. It probably happened over shipping. Yeah, that's good. Well, that one was only $4. That's good. Next one is this. This is supposed to be my glitter blue 8 ounce. It's hard. And like rubber. Ew, this hurts. My hands. And you go like that big hard piece. Like this isn't even an 8 ounce. It wasn't even an 8 ounce before it hardened. Oh gosh, this is ridiculous. I will definitely be messaging her about this one. I spent $8 on that. It's not even like the container's worth $8. $8. This is a big